Let's sign documents directly in Heads Up. Heads Up is how you push important updates to your whole team at once. And now you can attach a document to that update and require everyone to sign it before they can acknowledge. Crane work starts Monday. RAM's document linked, signature required, published. The team receives the heads up, reads through the document, and signs. Then, and only then, they can acknowledge. Every signature captured, who signed, when, and which version they read. If you're just getting started with Heads Up, watch our Create a Heads Up tutorial first. In this video, we'll cover linking a document and requiring a signature, signing on mobile, and viewing the signature register. You'll need the Heads Up Create permission and at least view access to the file you want to link. Ready? Let's go. Your Heads Up is ready. Title and description added, team assigned. Now for the document. Select your file. Then toggle on Require Signature. Click Add. Your document is linked with a signature required. When you're ready, click Publish. Heads Up sent. Now let's sign the document on mobile. The assigned worker receives the heads up. They open the document and read through it. The signature button stays inactive until they've reached the bottom. Then they sign. Once signed, they can acknowledge the heads up. Let's head back to the web app and view the signature register. Head to Documents and open the file. Then click Manage Linked Items. Select the Sign By tab. You'll see who signed, when, and which version of the document they signed. This is your audit trail, tied directly to the document, not the heads up. Signatures collected and work is ready to begin. Search linking files in the Help Center to see everywhere you can connect documents across your organization. Head to help.safetyculture.com.